Hey, this is Silas with Simplero, and today we're going to talk about the fastest way that you can sell your online or in-person event while using Simplero. So this is our test site right here. This is all test data. I'm on my dashboard. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to sales, and then I'm going to go to products. Now, I could create a new product just using the create new product button, but I'm going to make it really simple, and I'm going to use our product wizard. So inside the product wizard, we have all different types of products, but this one's going to be an event. So I'm going to go ahead and click on event, and then it's just going to give you a tooltip. It says this will create a new event and a product that acts as payment for it. If you want to link to an existing event, create a product manually. We don't have an existing event. We're doing this all from scratch right here, right now. So click on event and then go ahead and continue. And then we're going to give it a name. Let's call it rocket launch. Come watch the live rocket launch. Don't miss it. Cool. It's starting to shape up here. We're going to choose a file for a photo for the event. I'm going to go with the stock photo. And let's see what we got here. That looks perfect. Straight from NASA. All right, here's our event shaping up. This is going to be the event card. This is what it's going to look like when you share it with your customers. And this is going to be the product card inside of a catalog. Now, this listing status, this is important to you, maybe not. We provide a catalog with Simplero to list all of your products. You can choose to use it or not. It can also be unlisted, and you can just share the link wherever you'd like, in a call to action, in a button, in a DM, in your link in bio, anywhere you want. You just can grab the link and they can purchase with the link. So we're going to default that price at $99. I'm going to make it $150, and then we're going to set it for Christmas Day. So 4 to 5 of Christmas Day, we're going to launch a rocket. Time zone is Eastern. Now here's some important stuff. Does this repeat? This is going to be a once-off thing for us, but you can make it a repeating event. The location, again, could be online, or it could be online on Zoom. And if you have a link to Zoom account with Simplero, you'll see it here. Same with Google Meet. You can link it with your calendar. An in-person event, you could give it an actual location. And then to be determined if you're not quite sure yet what you're going to do. But we're going to make it online. And we're going to set it to rocket.launch. It's probably an actual website. And then we'll just do cool. So that is our event. Everything's good to go there. That was real simple. I'm going to hit continue. And boom, we're inside of our events page. If you look at your URL, you'll see you're inside your admin portal under your events, and you can see all the details about it. So we're inside of our events page here, and we can just see the details about the events. And yeah, here's the details, December 25th, 4 to 5 o'clock. We're going to not miss it. And the next things we're going to take a look at are the settings for this event. You can see what we built into it right off the bat. All good. Everything we told it to do. You can, of course, adjust anything now, the descriptions, the type of approval. It's connected to this product called Rocket Launch. It built your product just like that. And we don't have to save changes. We're all good to go there. But let's go ahead and take a look at the product itself just by clicking that link. And so here's this product that was just created for it. You can go to sales and then products and see it in the list as well. Might as well just go ahead and take a look. Here's our new product we just made, the rocket launch event. And here we go. So no purchases or anything yet, but again, you can play with all of the settings now that it's a product. So that's it. That took under 5 minutes. We created our own event using the Simplero Wizard, and we're good to go. So if I wanted to just go ahead and take this link to this event, I could share it in a browser, share it in a link in bio, share it in a call to action. And here it is. This is what your customers are going to see. And it's going to, of course, change based on your own style guide. This is just the style guide we have defaulted here. So this is what the typography and the fonts look like. But we'll go ahead and hit register and see what happens. And boom, straight to the order form, straight to the checkout. Again, this is a test site, so we got all kinds of different ways to pay, but it even gives them a little countdown timer to build in some scarcity. So that's how you do it in Simplero. Thanks for watching, and go and make an event.